First, go to Plugins, select Add New. Search for Ninja Forms. Install and activate Ninja Forms plugin. After activating, in the dashboard go to Ninja Forms and select Add New. So here we can see there are different forms. Since we need contact forms, I'll select Contact Us Forms. A form is created. So this is the default contact form. You can delete this and add your own contact form. Type delete here to delete this form. Now to create your own form, go back and select blank form. So here you can see there is the list of fields like common fields, user information fields, pricing fields and many more. I'll just drag and drop some fields here like first name, last name, email, city, and submit button. Click on Done. So selected fields are added now. Click on Publish here, give the title to the form and publish the form. Let's click on Preview Changes to see the changes. So this was the contact form I created. I will add this to the page, so it will appear on our website. Go to Pages and add a new page. Give the title to the page. Click on Add Form. Here you can select the form you created. So the shortcode of the form will be inserted. Publish and view the page. So your contact form page is created. Even we can add this contact form for the page created using Elementor. So I'll just remove this shortcode and I'll update this page again too. Edit with Elementor. Now click on the Edit with Elementor. Add new section. I'll just change the width of the section. Here I'll search for Ninja Forms. Now drag and drop this Ninja Forms to section. Now select your contact form from the drop-down list. It is not appearing here. Sometimes it happens. But once we update it will appear. So click on Update and preview the changes. So your contact form page is created. So I'll just fill this contact form and submit. Your form has been successfully submitted. So the details given in form will be sent to admin email. The email ID which you gave to your WordPress site. So this is how we can create a contact form using Ninja Forms plugin. Subscribe our channel for more videos on WordPress.